we think about bone health, let's just talk a second about some of your experience. Like many of our clients are very worried, and they're often underweight and they often get really nervous. And I think that's partly damaging their bone. So you must see clients like that, and you find you can get some results with that, the building bone at the same time that you deal with the emotional things?
Yes. In fact, we have a lot of clients who are generally often middle-aged, yeah, with osteoporosis, and then also in the older age, yeah.
Right.
And then they complain of osteoporosis, and despite taking supplementary calcium,
Right.
they are still having the symptoms of osteoporosis. They're still having the bone density. They're still lacking in bone density. Because osteoporosis, as you also know and also teach people, yeah, it's related to a lot of related to a lot of conditions like insomnia, like anxiety, like poor
digestion problems.
Right, poor absorption or malabsorption in the gut. Right now, all of these can only be, let me put it like this. The cause of all of these maladies, insomnia, anxiety, worry, poor digestion, is in here. It's in the mind, it's in the psyche, right? So, we always tell our patients, right? You tell them, do your exercise, do your yoga, meditate. What is all that? All that is trying to keep us more calmer, help us with our personality. Now, in homeopathy, we have the advantage of taking all these symptoms of the patient, taking the personality, and finding a befitting energy pattern that will heal that. So the patient has better absorption. If they have, colitis, or if they have ulcers, this gets healed. If they have insomnia, this gets better. So obviously, you're giving the body and mind a better balanced state, and then the osteoporosis has to improve.
And so you in your practice see bone health improving. For example, if a client comes in with, say, like a post-traumatic stress kind of thing from a childhood situation that they're fearful a lot of the time, or they maybe don't even know why, but they're anxious and fearful, then you find you can treat both that anxiety and fear, and also you can help to build bone health, all in the same little package there.
Absolutely. In fact, the way we look at it with homeopathically is, I have to get the emotional package, the post-traumatic syndrome. I have to get that corrected well, because if that is balanced, the bone health is going to improve.